Hello everyone and welcome back to D.A.G, the Dating a Gemini support group, where you're not crazy, they're inconsistent. How's everybody doing? I see we have some new faces. Hi, I'm new here. My name is Allie and I am dating a Gemini.
Hi, Allie.
Well, at least I think I am, or maybe I was dating. No, we're definitely together. Definitely, probably together. I've been seeing her for over 2 months now, and I still have no idea where I stand. So. Oh, I can relate to that. Most of us probably can. Unfortunately, knowing where you stand with the person that you're dating is not a luxury often afforded to people dating a Gemini. Take it from me. I married one twice, the same one. Does your Gemini also have a schedule for when they switch personalities? Schedule is a generous term, but yeah, she switches back and forth pretty quickly. One minute she's a caring girlfriend, and the next minute she is a stand-up comedian, where I am the butt of several of the jokes. So it's such a joy dating the court jester, isn't it? Allie, were you gonna say something? Sorry, I'm just really not used to getting a word in sideways, talking so much. It's a little foreign to me. I actually forgot what my own voice sounded like until just now, until today. And since her wisecracks aren't usually mean-spirited, I kind of end up laughing every time, which just enables the behavior, right? Yes, that and their intelligence is what really drew me in. I mean, I hate to admit it, and trigger warning, but Geminis are really fun to be around when they are around. Exactly. I mean, was really fun to be around. But I guess part of the reason I came here and am seeking support, she hasn't been around much at all lately. We were texting nonstop last week, and the past 2 days, radio silence. Yikes. Which is very unlike her. I'm actually kind of worried she's dead. I mean, she's probably just like super busy with her podcast or her improv group or learning to speak Klingon, even though she's never seen Star Trek. But I mean, I'm not worried about it. Obviously, she'll get back to me soon, right? Right? Anyway, thank you everyone for sharing. Join us next week where we will be discussing the 12 characteristics of being ghosted when you're dating a Gemini.